अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि ताला वबरकातुहू। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम नया न्यू लेसन टुडे विल सी देयर द लीनियर इक्वेशन इनटू वेरिएबल. Today we are going to start our new lesson, linear equation in two variable. Now see the exercise number 5.1. Number 1 question: by using the variable x and y, form any 5 linear equation in two variable. See, you have seen many equations are there in the textbook in the lower classes at standard, uh, which are depends on two variable x plus x and y. You can write like this: the question number 1 in the answer question number 1, x plus y is equal to 2. Suppose you are writing there, this is the variable x and y, two variable, and equal to 2 is the value. Like this 5 equation you have to make there. One equation I have written here, second equation will be there, x minus y is equal to 3, you can take there. And the third one is there, x plus y is equal to 7, you can write there like this. Fourth one, x minus y is equal to 10, you can take there. Okay, and the fifth one, x plus 2y equal to, you can take the 5 also. Okay, like this equation will be there, depends on you, you can take any equation there. Okay, we should suitable should the value of right sides. Okay, for the variable x and y, write the 5 question number 2, write the 5 solution of equation x plus y is equal to 7. See very well, here we have to take the value of x or y. Suppose you are taking value of x1, I am taking like this here, x taking the 1, you will get here by putting 1 in place of x. Okay, 1 keep here, and plus y will be equal to 7. Y is equal to, bring the right side 1, minus, you will get the 7 minus 1 means 6. Means by taking x equal to 1, we can take the y is equal to 6. Like in this equation, by keeping the values, we have to bring the 5 solution. This is the one solution. Okay, now suppose you are taking the x equal to 2, you will get what? We are taking the x equal to 2 in the second way, you will get 7 minus 2 means y is equal to, you will have here 5. If you are taking the x equal to 3, you will get y is equal to 4. Taking the x equal to 4, you will get y is equal to 3. So, okay, now continue, x equal to, taking the 5, you will get the y is equal to 2. By adding this 2 and you will get the 7. So 2 plus 5 equal to 7, 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 4 plus 3 equal to 7, and the last 5 plus 2 equal to 7. These are the 5 solution of the equation. Okay, now come on question number 3. These are the simultaneous equation we have to solve there. Now number 1, we are given x plus y is equal to 4. In other way, we are given second equation 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. Here we'll have to see very well what's the same. See here, you have 1x and 2x is given, 1y, you have the minus 5y. First of all, we'll give the equation number x plus y is equal to 4 is your 1, and the secondly you have the 2x minus 5y is equal to 1 is the second equation. If suppose we are multiplying the 1 to the 5, okay, if we are multiplying one equation by 5, so we'll get here, we'll write here multiplied by 5 to equation 1, you will get here 5x, 5 into y, you will get 5y, 5 for the 20. The equation you will get there third. Now take down the second equation, 2x minus 5y is equal to 1 is the second. Now we'll add both the equation, adding which one? Third and second. We'll write here statement adding third equation and second. Okay, now you'll get 5 plus 2, 7x plus minus 5y, both will be cancelled, 20 plus 1, you will get 21. Means x is equal to 21 divided by 7. 7 1 the 7, 7 3 the 21. We'll get here x is equal to 3. We got the value of x here 3. By keeping the value of x in any equation, suppose the small one is there, first one, we'll keep here putting x equal to 3, in equation 1. Now the 1 is there, x plus y is equal to 4 is the first equation. We have the x3 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore, bring the right side 3, y is equal to 4 minus 3. You will get 1. Now here we got the y is equal to 1. Therefore, we'll write the solution of the equation x comma y. We got x3 and y 1. It's your answer. Like this you have to solve there. Now see the question number second one. See very well. Fourth one, let's see. See the question number fourth one. What we have? 2y minus x equal to 0. Second equation, 10x plus 15y equal to 105. Here no arrangement is the equation, so we'll arrange the first equation. First one, minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. It is the first equation. And the second, 10x plus 15y equal to 105 is the second equation. So we'll arrange both the equations. See here we have the minus 1x and 10x. So we'll multiply by 10 to the equation 1. We'll write the statement multiplied by 10 to equation 1. Okay. Now multiply this one, you will get minus 10x, 10 to the 20. 10 0 0, you will get here third equation, and bring that down. Second equation, 10x 15y is equal to 105 is the second equation. Now we'll add both one, adding second and third. We'll write the statement adding third and second. Okay, plus minus 10x will be cancelled. 20 plus 15 you will get 35y, and 0 plus 105 you will get the 105. Now y is equal to 105 divided by 35. 35 1 the 35, 35 3 is a 1 not 5. Means we got the y is equal to 3. By placing y we can get the x. So we'll place this one, placing y equal to 3 in equation 1. 1 is there, minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. This is here our first equation. Now we'll keep the value minus x as it is, 2 into y. We got the y 3 is equal to 0. Minus x, 2 3 is a 6, plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus x plus 6, bring the right side, you will get minus 6. Plus minus cancel. We will get here x is equal to 6. Therefore, at last we will write the solution x comma y. 6 and y we got 3. This is our answer. Like this we have to solve the questions. We can, I think you can do these all questions, the remaining question. Okay. Now see, continue. We are going to start exercise number 5.2. See very well in the 5.2. Everyone come on the 5.2 exercise. Everyone In exercise 5.2, we have given the word problem. Question number 1. See very well. In an envelope, there are 5 rupee notes and some 10 rupee notes. The total amount of these notes together is 350. We are given rupees 5 notes and rupees 10 notes. We'll suppose here let the number of 5 rupee notes be X and number of 10 rupee notes be Y. Therefore, we are given in the question the total amount, means 5 rupee notes means 5x total amount with the 5 rupees and 10y. The total amount of the 10 rupees will be together. If we will add both the amount, you will get 350. Is the equation number 1. Now next question, number of 5 rupee notes means X and number of 10 rupee notes. Comparison between two notes are given. The number of 5 rupee notes are less. How many less? 10. Then the number of 10 rupee notes. Number of 5 rupee notes we are given. How much less? 10 less. Then the number of 5 rupee notes less 10 than the number of rupees 10. Here we have given the twice in the question. Make it correct or everyone. The number of 5 rupee notes less by 10 then the number of rupees 10 notes. Here we have the 10 rupees notes is the Y and the rupees 5 notes are the X. Then the twice of the 5 rupees notes we are going to correction here. Then the twice of the rupees notes of the 5 and rupees notes of the 10 are the less. How much less? 10 rupees note. Then it will be clear. You will get the equal. This is the number of rupees 10 and this is the X number of rupees 5. Here in the statement we have there the rupees of the rupees 10 notes are the what we have there twice of the rupees 5 notes and less 10. Okay, then both will be equal. You will get here 2x, bring the this one minus y, bring the right side 10. You will get the second equation like this. So okay, here we have the 2x minus y is equal to 10 and both we will compare there. It is here we have the 10. So we'll multiply these two. The equation number second one 10. Then you will get the 10 to the 20, 10y, 10 tens you will get the 100. It will be the third equation. So, okay. Now bring this one here. 5x plus 10y is equal to 350. Now see very well everyone. The first equation, if we will add both one, you will get here what? 25x plus minus cancel, 3 plus 1 you will get to 450. X is equal to 450 upon 25. 5 5 are 25, 5 9 are 45, 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5, 1 carry, 5 2 are 10. You will get the 12. The X we got here 12. Now by placing X is equal to 12 in equation, suppose 1, the one equation is there, 5x 10y equal to 350, 5 into 12 plus 10y is equal to 350, 10y will be as it is, 12 5 is 60, bring the right side 350 minus 60. The 10y is equal to, if subtract from this one, you will get 290. Then y is equal to 290 divided by 10. You will have here y is equal to 29. Means the number of rupees 5 notes, we got the x, how much, 12, and the number of rupees 10 we got here 29. So we'll write as answer the number of 5 rupee notes are x, we have taken that one, it is the 12, and the number of 10 rupees notes are taken the y, that is 29. Like this the answer will be there. Okay, you got everyone? Now for the question number, see third one, everyone, this question is depend on the age. The sum of ages of Priyanka and Deepika is 34. We'll suppose here, let the present age of Priyanka be x year and the present age of Deepika be y years. Sum age of both the ages given, x plus y, equal to how much given, ages of sum 34 years. You'll get the first equation. Now comparison, the Priyanka is elder to Deepika by 6 years. Priyanka, we have the x and Deepika is the y. The Priyanka is elder, means it is greater. How much? 6 year greater, and it is 6 year less. So we'll add the, in Deepika 6, both will be equal. Means plus y, bring the left side, minus y is equal to 6 is your second equation. Now here we'll add both the equation 1 and 2 to getting the value of one variable. We'll write here adding 1 and 2. The first equation we have x plus y equal to 34, and second one x minus y is equal to 6. Adding both 1x, you will get the 2x plus minus y cancel, you will get here 40. 34 plus 6, 40. X is equal to 40 divided by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Means we get here x is equal to 20. Now placing x equal to 20 in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 34. Equation 1. Now we have the x 20 plus y is equal to 34. Y equal to 34 minus 20. You will get 14. Now here we got the value of y 14. These are the ages. Okay. Therefore the Priyanka's present age, we have taken x. How much it will be there? 20 years. And the Deepika's present age, y. Now we got this one 14 years. Like this you have to solve these two the questions. Okay, I think you got these questions. Now continue the questions for the next questions. Very well. See the next question. Now next question is there. Question number fourth one. See there. The total number of lions and peacock in a certain zoo is 50. We'll suppose in fourth one, let the number of lions be X and number of peacock be Y. Total number of animals X plus Y means both lions and peacocks are given 50. It's your first equation. And given the total number of their legs is 140. The legs of lions, we have the 4, we have the quantity X, that is the 4X, the total number of legs of lions, and the total legs of peacock will be 2Y, given 140 is your second equation. Now we'll arrange these two equations by multiplying to the equation number 1. So we'll write here multiplied by 2 to equation 1, you will get 2x 2y equal to 250 is 100, 1 2 3, and down the 4x plus 2y is equal to 140. Now we'll subtract second from subtracting second from third one. See very well, plus minus minus, plus minus minus, plus minus minus, plus minus 2y will be cancelled, 2 minus 4 you will get 2x, 100 minus 140 you will get the minus 40, minus minus cancel, x equal to 40 divided by 2, 2 to the 4, you will get x equal to 20. We got the value of x. Now keeping the value of x, we'll write here, placing x equal to 20 in equation 1. We have the equation 1, x plus y equal to 50. Now x we got here 20, keep the 20, y will be as it is 50. Y is equal to 50 minus 20, you will get 30. Okay, now we got y 30. Therefore, in the zoo, number of lions, it was x. How much? We got the x 20, and the number of peacock, it was there y, we have 30. These are your answer. There were 20 lions and 30 peacocks. Got everyone? Now you can do like these questions. Now come on the question number. I am going to explain the question number 9th one. See very well, divide a rope of length 560 meter. Like a rope is there, A, B, and dividing like this D. See here, D is dividing the rope into two parts. Given into two parts means the total length of these two 560 centimeter is given there into two parts. Suppose one length is there x and other length totally is there y, means both addition x plus y you will get the 560. And given next equation, the such that you will divide the twice the length of smaller part. Length of smaller part will be there x, twice the smaller part means twice of x, and 1/3 of the greater part will be equal. The greater part is there 1 of y, you will get the 1/3 of greater part and smaller twice, both will be equal. Now see very well, 2x 3 will be bring here, you will get the multiply by 3 to the left side number is equal to y, means 3 to the 6x, bring this one minus y, left side is equal to 0, equation number 2. Here minus y plus y will be cancelled easily, we will add the 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2 will write here. One is there, x plus y is equal to 560. This one 6x minus y is equal to 0. Adding 6 plus 1x you will get the 7x plus minus y cancel. 560 will be as it is the right side. Now you will get here x is equal to 560 divided by 7. 7 1 7, 8 56. X is equal to 80. We got the one part of the row by placing x equal to 80 in equation 1. What was the equation 1? X y equal to 560. X is there 80 plus y equal to 560. Y equal to 560 minus 80. You will get the y. Now see very well, 560 minus 80. 0, 4 you will get here. 8, 16 minus 8. We'll have here y is equal to 480 centimeter. Therefore, the smaller part of rope means x. You got here 80 and larger part of rope means y. We have 480 centimeter. The student, like this question are very important. You do very carefully this question, do the hard work, and these are the all questions for the lesson number 5.1 will be asked, maybe asked in the examination. Okay, you try this one. Inshallah, we'll continue new lesson, our next lesson next time. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.